guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome you guys. So today I have something interesting for you guys. If you're struggling to lose weight, you are going to love this video. I'm going to be showing you guys what you can drink. All right, I've tried it, it's working. This would help you with your weight loss. This will help boost your metabolism. This will help curb your hunger. That's what we want, right? That is exactly what we want. That will help us lose weight. Okay, so if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, make sure you watch this video to the very end because you're going to learn something from it. And also, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Join our weight loss family. Right guys, so let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my drink. This is the drink I'll be showing you later on in the video. This drink would help, like I said earlier, would help boost your energy, and it's also going to help you guys curb your appetite, which is what we want. We want to reduce our appetite, we want to reduce our cravings for food, reduce the feelings of hunger. If you're constantly hungry, if you're constantly craving for things, this drink would help you. Okay, but before I tell you what to do, before I tell you how to make this drink, there's certain things that you need to know. If you're really serious about losing weight, you definitely need to do these things, you guys. If you don't do these things, this will not work. Okay, so don't just scroll on this video on how to make this drink. Okay, you need to listen to this first. Do these things along with taking this drink. You'll definitely be guaranteed to lose weight. So hold me like an ocean. So the first one for me is, if you're struggling to lose weight, you need to do a longer fast. I've spoke about this in my previous video. If you haven't seen that video, please go ahead and watch it somewhere right here. So the fast I want you guys to do, if you haven't seen that video, is 20 hours fasting. Okay, 20 hours fasting. Let me put this down so I can talk properly. It's 20 hours fasting. 20 hours fasting, I mean, so you're gonna fast for 20 hours and you're going to eat within a 4 hours window. All right, I'm sure many of you have tried different types of fasting and still your weight is not going off, or you're struggling to lose weight, or still you're still gaining weight. So we need to lean towards doing a longer fast. With the 20 hours fast, you're going into a fat burning mode, you're going into ketosis, a fat burning mode. Okay, so this would help you lose weight a lot quicker. All right, so 20 hours fast means you're going to fast for 20 hours and you're going to eat within a 4 hour window. In that video, I gave a time. So you eat your first meal at 1, you have your second meal at 4, you start to fast at 5 o'clock, and then you fast. When I mean fasting, no food, just water. All right, and you fast till 1 o'clock the next day, and that's when you eat your next meal. All right guys, if you try this method, you're definitely going to lose weight. Okay, trust me on this. All right, so the second one also comes in line with the first one, which is that you need to focus on eating 2 major foods, which is greens and protein. Focus on increasing those things. Okay, I'm not saying don't eat fat, I'm not saying don't eat carbs. Cut out on any sugar if you can, reduce on your carbs, eat your fats, but focus on 2 main things, which is your greens and your protein. You know what protein does? Protein keeps you fuller for longer. That's what we need. We need something that will make us feel satisfied and full. So fill your plate with more of the greens and more of protein. And the third one would be exercise, you guys. We need to still move our body to help the process for you to burn fat more, to make the process a lot quicker. You can do simple things like going for a walk, okay? Doing like 10,000 steps, which is what I do. I've been doing 10,000 steps every day. It makes me feel good and it's low impact. I'm not stressed. It's a good way to start my day. Then later on, I can add any type of exercise, maybe a HIIT workout, or maybe I don't even work out at all, but at least I've got my steps in. All right, so try doing anything that that you feel that is okay for you. Okay, listen to your body, whatever you feel that's okay for you. HIIT workout is good, which is high intensity workout. So this would bring up your heart rate. That would help you burn fat a lot quicker. Even walking also helps you burn fat. But with walking, you have to do brisk walking. You have to walk really fast, get your heart rate up so that you can also burn fat. Walking also helps you lose belly fat. And so whatever you can do, whether it's low impact exercises or high intensity exercises, whatever you can do, yes, make sure you move your body. So the next one for me is stop eating at night, guys. We need to stop eating at night. Okay, the earlier you stop to eat, the better for you. It would help with your belly fat and also help you to burn fat. So the next one for me is to start getting enough sleep. Did you know that the time when you burn the most fat is when you're sleeping? When you're sleeping, your body is in a fasted state. You're fasting, you're sleeping, you're not eating. So your body is in a fasted state, and that's when you burn the most fat. Okay, so the earlier you go to bed, the better for you, or the better for us. Try and take sleeping early very seriously. Try and get enough sleep. They say to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. So make sure you do that. Sleep is very important to help us burn fat. So the last one for me would be stress. You need to work on your stress level. If you're constantly stressed, you will not lose weight, you guys. So you need to try and find out ways that would help you reduce on your stress so that your body can continue burning that fat. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to brief you guys on this very quickly. I'm not going to go into each point and explaining exactly how it helps and everything. But I hope you guys got something from what I've just said. Okay, and I hope you will do it. If you do every single one of these things I've said, you will definitely guaranteed to lose that weight very fast. Many doctors, many people on YouTube tell you these things all the time. It's the truth. This is the only way we can lose weight. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you how to make this drink. Okay, it's very quick to make, and like I said earlier, without doing all these things I've said, this would not work. All right, so I want you to do everything I've said. I want you to make this, drink this every day on an empty stomach before you have your first meal. Okay, please come to my comment and tell me if it worked, because it will work. Let me head to my kitchen and show you guys how to make this. If we could run it back. Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you quickly on how to make this drink. Okay, this appetite suppressant drink. All the ingredients I'm going to show you right now all have an appetite suppressing effect. It's going to help you reduce your calorie intake, and it's going to help support your weight loss. Okay, so the first ingredient is coffee. We're going to be using coffee, guys. I know you're going to come in the comments and ask me what kind of coffee to use. Guys, you can use any type of coffee: instant coffee, keto, and decaf. I'm using an instant coffee. Coffee has an appetite suppressing effect. It's going to increase your metabolism, and it's going to make you feel a lot less hungry. Okay, so we're going to need just 1 teaspoon of coffee. 1 teaspoon. Okay, that's what I'm using. 1 teaspoon of coffee, and I'll put it in here. All right. Okay, so like I said, I'm using an instant coffee, so I'm just going to pour in my hot water. Okay, so put some hot water in your cup. I'm just going to stir it. Guys, if you're not a coffee drinker, don't worry, I've got something for you. I will be showing you how to make this drink with something else that is not coffee. Okay, so don't worry if you're not a coffee drinker. Right, so the next one we're going to use is lemon, you guys. This lemon is high in vitamin C, so I'm just going to squeeze this. This would help with your digestive system, will also increase your metabolism, and this would also help flush out the excess water weight that we have and reduce bloating. Make sure I squeeze out all the juices. So guys, the last and final ingredient that we need to add to this concoction is MCT oil. MCT oil is the game changer, you guys. MCT oil will decrease your appetite and will increase the production of hormones that signal fullness, you guys. This will reduce the level of hunger hormones that we have in our body. This MCT oil is powerful, you guys. We are using 3 powerful ingredients that would help suppress our appetite. With this one, we need 1 tablespoon. So we're just gonna put 1 tablespoon of this oil, MCT oil, into this drink. Guys, you don't even know how much powerful ingredients has been added to this. This is a complete appetite control ingredients. Okay, this will definitely control your appetite. So like I said earlier, you need to drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, okay, or first thing on an empty stomach before your first meal. All right, before your first meal, make sure you drink this. Trust me, I can guarantee you less cravings, less appetite, and you're going to lose weight. Okay, so let me show you the second method, okay, if you're not a coffee drinker. Okay guys, so this is another option to coffee, okay, if you don't drink coffee. Guys, this is it. We are going to be using black tea and green tea. Okay, this is a tea mix. We're going to be mixing these two together. Both of them has a lot of great effects. They both have appetite suppressing effects and they increase metabolism. It contains things that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. They regulate your blood sugar and everything. Okay, so this is a good mix. So we're going to be mixing this together. So this is the black tea and then this is the green tea, you guys. So yeah, find yourself some tea if you're not used to coffee, if you're not used to drinking coffee. Again, we're going to add our boiled water, all right, to this hot water, to this tea, you guys. Next thing is your lemon. So we're also going to squeeze in some lemon. The last thing we're going to put is our MCT oil. 1 tablespoon of MCT oil into this, and that's it guys. You're welcome. Try this mix. Yeah guys, so try this mix if you don't like drinking coffee, you guys. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.